What is going on, everybody? My name is Sergio, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys an embroidery machine that I purchased for the business. I'm also going to be doing a 3D puff design on a Richardson hat, and I'm also going to be doing a regular design. Alright guys, so I went ahead and went with a Smart Stitch 1501 embroidery machine. It's a 15 needle, so it does up to 15 different colors. Honestly, it's been a really good addition to the shop. Made about 100 different garments already, so it's really nice to get into this side of the business as well, while offering screen printing services at the same time. I'm going to be embroidering on 2 different Richardson hats. I've heard a lot of good things about these hats, so I figured why not, let's try them out. So let's get into it. So I went ahead and oiled up the machine. Before I start anything, I'm going to go ahead and install the hat hoop, and then I'm going to go hoop the hat and get this thing going. Alright guys, so I got the hat hooped, it's ready to go. I got the stabilizer on the inside. I am going to be using black foam for this. You're actually supposed to be using same color foam for the same color thread. My white foam is not here yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the black foam for now and see how it comes out. Alright guys, so here's the design. Time for the peel. So here is the close-up. I still need to clean it up. If you look closely between the edges of the lettering, you might see a little bit of black sticking out. That is the reason why you should always use the same color foam as your thread. In this case I used black just because I ran out of white. Obviously if this was for a customer, I would wait for the correct foam to get in. It's gonna be a personal hat, so it's whatever. Alright guys, so the second hat is now complete. I really like these Richardson hats. They honestly feel a little bit more higher quality, and then the branding on it is on point. It just overall feels like a more expensive hat. I do need to hit up my digitizers. They got some stuff to fix on the W. Other than that, everything else looks really good. So I'm pretty happy with how these hats came out. Obviously the 3D embroidery one can come out a lot better if I use white foam, and this one needs a little bit tweaking on the digitizing part of it. Other than that guys, that is it for this video. In the next video I'm going to be talking about the t-shirt giveaways that I'm going to be doing. I'm basically going to be choosing a design, screen printing them on t-shirts, and giving them away on social media, Instagram and TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on there, follow me. I'm going to be leaving all those links in the description. I'll catch you guys on the next one.